On tape, police just released surveillance video showing one of last night's 4 robberies.
Marissa Cleaver is in Independence getting new details on this developing story. Marissa.
Well, Curtis, investigators had a very busy night after 4 robberies in the area. The last one happening here at this Hy-Vee in Independence at 40 Highway and Nolan Road. Independence police just released some surveillance pictures of the suspect in this robbery, and you can clearly see that he has a gun pointed at a woman. Police tell us there were about 20 people inside the store when this robbery happened just after midnight. The suspect is described to be in his early 20s, about 5'7", 140 pounds with no facial hair. The first robbery happened just before 10 p.m. in Kansas City. It was actually reported as a robbery and home invasion near 62nd and Swope Parkway. A half an hour later, someone robbed Don's Liquor on Southwest Boulevard. Then 30 minutes after that, the Bluebird Cafe in the 1700 block of Summit was robbed. The robbery in Independence here at the Hy-Vee happened just after midnight, and Kansas City police say they do not believe these robberies are linked. Independence police are still looking into that. No one was hurt, and police say if you have any information, please call the TIPS hotline. Live in Independence, Marissa Cleaver, NBC Action News.